Namaste. Good afternoon, everybody. Today discuss about second standard activity book, page number 26. Everybody open your activity book, not course book. Everybody open activity book. కనబడుతుందా? Activity book. Please see here. Activity book. Which class? Grade 2, volume 1. Page number 26. Review. Okay? See, listen carefully. Everybody open your activity book, page number 26. Okay, place the missing numbers from 901 to 1000. Some numbers are given in this box, so you can write missing numbers. Okay? Row wise, not column wise, row wise. Did you understand? So 901 you can start here, not here. You can write only row wise, not column wise. You can write only row wise. See, 901 after 902, 902. 903, 903. 904, 904. 905, 906, 907, 908, 908. 908. Next 909. 909. 909. Next 909 after, better listen carefully. 910. 910. It can be written as 10. 910. Now next 911. Next 912. 913. 914. 915. 916 already given, so don't write. 917. 918. 918 means 918. 18. Next 919. Next 920. 20. 920. Now we have to take next third row. Not column wise, row wise. See here. 921, 922, 923, 924, 925, 926, 927, 928, 929 given. So next 929 after 930. Next 930 after you can take fourth row. You can start from this side to that side. Okay. 931. 932. Very easy. 932 means 32. 932. 933. 934 given in our textbook. See, activity book. 935. 936. 937. 938. 939. Next 940. 940 means 40. So now take next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth row. So you can write from this side to that side. Okay, 941. 941. 4141. Next 942. 942. 943. 944. 944 means 44. 945 given. So did you observe? Next 945 after 946. Next 947. 948. 48. 948. Next 949. 949 means you can write 499 after. Next 950. 950 means 50. So now take next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth row. 951. 952. Next 953. 954. Next 955. Next 956. 956 means 56. 957 already given in your activity book in this box. So next 958. 959. Next 959 after 960. Now take next row. 961. So 962 already given, written in your text activity book. So here 963, 964, 965, 966, 967. 98 means 98, 98. 999. 999 means 99. 3 times you can write. Next 999 after you can write 1000. 1 after how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1000 is a 4-digit number. 929. 934. 945. 957. 962. 980, 988, 9. See, listen carefully once again, beta. So these are the already everybody I think written. So once again I can explain. 901 after 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909, 910. So I have to take next row, second one, 911, 912, 930, 940, 915, 916 already given. So 970, 980, 990, 920. 920 it can be written as 920. 20. So next 921, 922, 923, 924, 925, 926, 927, 928, 929 already given in your activity book. So next 930. Now take 931, 932, 933, 934 given. 934 after 935, 936, 937. 938, 939, 940. So now take next row. 941, 942, 943, 944, 945, 946. 945 already given. So 945 after 946, 947, 948, 949, 950. 950 after, now we have to take next row wise. 951, 952, 953, 954, 955, 956, 957 already given in your activity book. Okay. 958, 959 after 960. 960 means 960, 960. Now take next row, 961, 962 already given in your book, activity book. 963, 964, 965, 966, 967, 968, 969, 970. Now take next row, 971, 972, 973, 974, 975, 976, 977, 977, 977, 978, 979, 980. Next 981, 982, 983, 984, 985, 986, 987, 988, 989, 990. Now next, last one, last row, 991, 992, 993 already given, 994, 995, after 996, 997, 998, now next 999. 999 after 1000, 1000, one after we can write 3 zeros. So 1000 is a 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So now next everybody open your activity book page number 26. Next in your box some of the scooties given below. In your box then count the scooties and write number and number name. See, everybody open your activity book page number 26. Everybody count scooties. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 you can write down only 20. So then after you can write 20 in words. So now next here next box some of the balls given. See, count the balls, number of balls, how many are there in your box. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35. So you can write next box 35. You can write in figure. Then after you can write their number name. Now you can see next page number 27. Page number 27. Page number 27. See here, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. See here, page number 27. So you can see first box. See in it how many digits are given. "58, 67, 39, 42, next 26. So these are the given numbers. These numbers you can write in ascending order. Very easy. See here, 58, 67, 39, 42, 26. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So here smallest number you can see 58, 67, 39, 42, 26. 26 is the smallest number. You can write here 26. So 26 after 39. You can write here 39. 39 after 42. 42 after 58. 58 after 67. Very simple. Now next 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. See, write down. 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. In it, the given numbers are 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. So, which is the smallest number than the other number? So, 11. Take it and write it here. So, now next 11 after 22. 22 after 33. 33 after 44. 44 after 66. Now last one. Here 98, 65, 38, 74, 49. See here 98, 65, 38, 74, 49. Among these numbers, which is the smallest number, you can find out and tick here. So 38. 38 after 49. 49 after 65. 65 after 74. 74 after 98. Now next one, arrange the numbers in descending order. So page number 27. Descending order. So everybody open page number 27 in your activity book. Twenty-nine, 81, 11. See here, descending order. Arrange the numbers from big to small. See, the given numbers are 29, 81, 69, 96 and 11. Among these numbers, which is the biggest number, you can find out 96. 96. Then after 81, next 69. Now next 29. Last one 11. Twenty-five, 30, 75, 67, 52. Second one problem. See here. See, 25, 30, 75, 67, 52. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers are there. In it, which is the biggest number? 75. Next one, 67. Next one, 52. Next one, 30. Last one, 25. Okay. Now, third problem. In it, third box. 86, 16, 68, 93, 39. See here. 86, 16, 68, 93, 39. So, in it, which is the greatest number? 93. 93 after 86. 86 after 68. 68 after 39. Now last one, 60. Now next, solve the following additions. Solve the following additions. Everybody write down in your activity book. Don't waste your time. Okay? See here, 8 plus 5. 8 in the mind and 5 fingers you have to take in your hand. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can write 13. Now next, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, very easy. 7 in the mind. 4 fingers you have to take in your hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. You can get 11. Everybody got 11. Now next, 1 plus 9. Very easy. 1 plus 9. 1 in the mind. How many fingers you have to take in your hands? Both hands. 9 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write here 10. Then next, 24 plus 3. Look at the blackboard, everybody. 24 plus 3. 24 is a 2-digit number. It has 2 places from left to right side, 1's place and 10's place. See here, 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, and how many fingers you have to take in your hands? 3 fingers. So 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 you can write. So here there is no number, means you can write directly as it is. 24 plus 3, 27. Next, 36 plus 2, last one. See here in one's column, 6 plus 2, you can add it. 6 in the mind. 6 is in our mind. So I have to take how many fingers in our hands? 2 fingers. So 6 plus 2, 6 after 7, 8. Now next, here there is no digit. So you can write 3 as it is. 38. So now next, complete the following multiplications. See here, 2 4s are 8. So see, this is, everybody complete in your activity book. Okay, this is first box. See, 2 4s are 8. Say everybody, 3 9s are 27. Next, 6 3s are 18. 5 2s are 10. 7 1s are 7. 9 5s are 45. 1 8s are 8. 8 6s are 48. See here, 2 4s are 8, 3 9s are 27, 6 3s are 18, 5 2s are 10, 7 1s are 7, 9 5s are 45, 1 8s are 8, 8 6s are 48. Now next, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. Now next, last box. 1 9s are 9, 2 8s are 16, 3 7s are 21, 4 6 are 24. 5 4s are 20. 6 2s are 12. 7 3s are 21. 8 9s are 72. Everybody write down in your activity book page number 27. Okay, today our class is completed. Tomorrow page number 28, comparison of numbers. Okay, thank you everybody.